Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where you can find your keyless entry code or your door unlock code for this 2013 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So this code is over on the passenger side here. And right down here we have our fuse block. So we are looking above this connector right here, and you can see that white sticker right there. The code is on the sticker, so I'm going to zoom in on it. So right there you can see my door code is 40703. The L is not part of the door code. I'll have a video here at the end that shows you how to set a new personalized code for your vehicle. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching and have a good one.